Hi guys, in this session we will learn how to switch PowerShell versions in Visual Studio Code. In my system there are two versions of PowerShells are installed. Windows PowerShell, which is version number 5, it is installed by default, and I have downloaded PowerShell core, that is PowerShell 7, and installed it. So there are two versions installed in my system. I have opened Visual Studio Code to see which version of PowerShell is currently in use. We have to use this command $ps version table. So as you can see, uh, PowerShell version 5.1 is currently in use, and it is desktop edition. And what if I want to switch to PowerShell 7? All you have to do is go to View, click on Command Palette, Session, and you have to click on PowerShell Show Session menu. And as you can see, there are multiple versions here. Current session is Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell means the PowerShell which is installed by default with the operating system. And as I told, I also have installed PowerShell Core. So this is PowerShell Core, PowerShell version 7. So if you want to switch to PowerShell 7, you can just click on that. Now if I type command ps version table to see which version of PowerShell is in use, as you can see, it is PowerShell version 7, and it is edition is core. So this is how you can switch PowerShell versions in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching.